Hi students, this is Priyanshu and we are going to talk about our Telangana Board Chapter 10 Food Security of Social Studies. Okay, so you know that we are looking the most important and repeating question of Telangana State Board Examination. So let's see this one only. So this is a notes and I don't think you will need a notes, but I will upload after that. Okay, so let's see the here. This is a practice questions and here you will see the multiple choice question. Actually here it is given, which these questions are very important because it's already come in your board examination. Okay, so that's why it is important. Okay, so this MCQ will be very important. You know why? Because 20 marks for your that. Okay, MCQ. So here we will see one of the following is a not a chorus carol. Okay, right. Here you will see these are the important means of the people's access the food gains in India. This is done by the food corporations of India. Okay, like that question you will see the India government come out with a new law and the legacy people rights. Okay, so this questions is still ninth one only. Okay, after that it is centered here, then after we will move to the our very short answer. So the first question is, why is public distribution system beneficial? You know, food security, like some people get ration and something extra which we say it is distributed to all over India, not only in single state. It is totally distributed all over the India, from east also, south also, north also, and west also. Okay, short answer questions. What does the National Industry of Nutrients Survey reports? Okay, this is second question, which is very important. Okay, but it is not going to ask, the chances is very low. Okay, write important points of National Food Security Act 2013. It can ask you. Okay, but yeah, according to me, in your examination they will ask you like not a very hard question also, not a very low question also, medium question will ask you in the board examination, remember. Okay, the medium question of such type of questions, like they will ask you what is the public distribution system benefit, they will ask, this is a medium question, they will ask you that, they will not ask you this what will happen in 2013. Okay, so here easy type question is given, describe the relations between underweight and across to food, suggest like something. Second one is important, suggest measure to increase food grains production in India. How do the present government ensure food security of the people? So actually this question will doubt they will ask, but fifth one, in this one some question which I take it out, it can be chances about it to it will come or not. Okay, but definitely the I mark it that is have chance that can come. Okay, but all questions are important, you can practice this all. Okay, so after that next chapter is there. So but from today only it's still here only, and this video is ended here only. And if you have any doubt, you already know what you have to do, you have to just leave a comment. And I hope everything is clear to you, and we will meet a next video. Jai Hind.